It's early morning and it's freezing cold, and Reggie is off to MG Rover Mobile Mechanics.
You know what I would recommend having done?
The wax oiling or whatever it is that you do.
Yeah, I mean there should be an under tray that sits here.
Alright.
It goes up underneath here like that.
Yeah.
So it should sit.
Can you still get them, I wonder?
But you can. But that's what it should look like. Just knowing how much of a perfectionist you are.
With the sun rising behind me, it's collection day. It's a frosty morning. And I'm on a 1+ hour walk to get to town. I'm going to try catching the bus this time to Derby, make a change from the train, half the price. I like buses as much as trains. And the station's about 10 minutes closer to the MG Rover Specialists, which will still be another 30-minute walk when I get into Derby. But I love walking, good for your health. All the lovely fumes coming off this trunk road. See in a bit. Just nearly ran on my arse. They said walking's good for you. would it be fair to say, I don't want to put words in your mouth, but it's solid underneath?
It is, mate. I was going to felt it on the MOT.
Yeah.
Even the jacking points at the front here,
Yeah.
are nice and rock hard.
Right, any sign of welding previously?
No, nothing.
For a 21-year-old car, I just thought maybe we would find something.
It's never been touched with a welder.
That's just, as the current and new one, as the new owner, I'm just really pleased to hear that.
Nothing.
Don't that look good with a coat of wax oil on it?
Yeah.
So it's all been rubbed down, wax oil put on.
All the loose stuff has been brought off.
Yeah.
And then it's been coated with a wax oil, with a nice black wax oil. And yeah.
All done.
Spanking, isn't it?
New discs all round.
New discs.
Calipers on the front.
On the front. The reason why you had the calipers on the front was because you wanted a brake fluid change and the bleeding nipple was broke.
Yeah, okay.
So without doing a brake fluid change,
I'm no mechanic, but I'm guessing that's quite sort of like difficult to do if you,
if you haven't got the nipple to, how do you seal it back off?
And then I've got, what's that bar that you've shown me that's been changed? Is it this one?
This one here.
That no longer looks new because of the wax oil, ironically,
Yeah,
which is cool. That's fine.
And that side looks new because
That's the same.
and then your bushes sit at the back of here that hold the arm in place.
Yep.
But no longer look new because they've got wax all over them.
Excellent.
There is no oil here now.
No.
You'll get a bit of burning smell off the exhaust because obviously we've cleaned it all off, and any bits of oil that have dropped down the back of here
What is going to burn with the heat?
will burn off.
Yeah.
It will burn off eventually. There's an nerve strap on the bonnet for no good reason.
The only thing that is questionable, and we're going to get that looked at, is it's got this weird strap.
Don't know why it was put on there. It went to the bodywork, not to anything else. And it was just like an extra nerve strap that doesn't need to be fitted.
I noticed it when I was looking to buy it, and I was like, you know what, the rest of the car is looking fine. I'll put up with it, and then I'll ask when it comes here.
You want me to watch you off? Are you all
I
right?
should be alright, mate, thank you. Well, I hope so, now I've said that. Have a good one, all.
See you later.
Right, let's go home. Not much space outside MG Rover Specialists.
In 100 yards, turn right onto Uttoxeter Old Road.
So a little tiny bit gentle with the brakes, everyone, because it's got all new discs.
Straight to stay on Uttoxeter New Road.
Do that again. Mrs. Google disturbed me then. So we're going to have to brake quite gently at the minute, or at least be aware that the brakes have all been changed. New discs, new pads all round. In the next video we'll discuss exactly what we've had done, but for now I think we'll leave it there, everyone. Reggie's had a lot of work done. We'll go through all that work and the costs and why we chose to spend all that money on him. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next one.